Very good evening, everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for paying your attention. To start my presentation, I would like to introduce my company, Delight Industrial Solutions Private Limited. We started our journey in 2013 as a trading firm, and gradually we increased our portfolio, and in 2015 we started into the manufacturing with 5 knitting machines. And proudly I would like to tell you, like today we are producing 1 million gloves every month, and currently we have a facility of 30,000 square feet. We will be producing approx 2 million gloves every month. As a company, we always focus on the product, quality product with the certifications which serves the industry in a better way. So, why I choose Delight? We have certified quality product. Most of the product we are manufacturing in-house. We have a pan-India distribution network, cost-effective and with quality assurance. Like, we do not compromise quality just because serving the low price product. Customized flexibility, we do a lot of customization in our product as per the customer requirement. And also we work, as our most of the automotive industry work on the JIT model, like just in time. So similarly, the people, the dealer and the customer who are associated with us, we try to work with them on the JIT model, where they keep minimum inventory so that their payment cycle and optimization, cost-effective solutions they get. From construction, electrical, electronics, laboratory, pharmaceuticals, mining, to almost all major industry we are currently serving. So from our product portfolio point of view, we have a quite decent portfolio in hand production, which starts with the PU coated gloves, in which we have 4 range like white PU, black PU, grey PU and PU top. In the nitrile series, we have 2 kind of solutions like nitrile palm coated, nitrile full coated and nitrile green fog line gloves. So in the nitrile palm coated, we have 4 segments like nitrile white grey, nitrile black coated. MNPS 23 gives you a permanent solution for the nitrile coating gloves with a sandy finish, and then we have a premium nitrile white coated gloves. Nitrile full coated, again we have 4 kind of solution, full coated that with both side coating, nitrile MN22, jersey, nitrile 3x4 coating, orange color, and the full day gloves. Then we also serve into the electronic industry. For that we have ESD palm coated, ESD finger coated, ESD dotted, and ESD liner gloves. Then we have a solution for the latest coated gloves as well, in which we have latex palm coated. In these 4 categories which you can see on the screen. For the cut protection, we have very special range of beginning series, mid series gloves. So for the beginning series, we have cut level 2, cut level 3, cut level 5, cut level 5 with thumb reinforcement. Then in the premium series, we have like cut level E gloves, sandy finish cut level E with thumb reinforcement, and then again about which sir was talking, Delight Wipro, which gives you the impact resistance protection. Then recently, 3 months back, we have launched the whole new series of HPP's hand sleeves, which give you protection from your arm, wrist to your shoulder, in which we have multiple categories like from cut level C, cut level D, cut level F, and multiple options we have like with the thumb cut and without thumb cut. Then again, before 3 months, we have introduced heat resistance gloves, in which we have multiple categories. First is like give you the protection of up to 100 degree, which is EN 388 and EN 407 certified. That is MHPK10. Then secondly, we have double layer gloves, in which inner layer will be a cotton one and the outer layer will be the aramid one. That is also EN 388 and EN 407 certified, and that will give you protection up to 250 degree, which is a 100% certified gloves as per the standard. Then heat resistant sleeves, where we have 3 options: one with the 18-inch with thumb guard, second one is 18-inch without thumb guard, and third one is with Velcro customization. And in case if customer has any kind of customization required, that also we do with them. This is a nitrile green fork-line glove, which is 15 mile, which gives the protection against some chemical work. Then the whole series comes for the polyester knitted glove, and this is one series for which we are producing approx 6 lakh pair per month as of now. Then cotton knitted gloves, for which we are making into the 7 gauge, then 10 gauge, and also on the customization on the request of the customer, we make length customization with the 12-inch, 14-inch and 16-inch gloves. This is polyester dotted gloves, widely famous in the agriculture, sports industry, and also some automotive inspection units, where along with the lint-free you need a proper slip resistance protection as well. Then cotton knitted gloves, where we are manufacturing 7 gauge cotton dotted single side, 10 gauge cotton dotted single side, and 7 and 10 gauge both side dotted as well. Here comes the complete solution for the electronics industry, where mostly PCB assembly comes, where the static current generates into the body. So for that we have ESD rubber mat, ESD anti-fatigue mat, and clean room sticky mat. Then comes like finger coat, which is white, orange, white, orange, pink and black. Then clean room products, where we provide solution for the ESD floor marking tape, ESD clean room wipe, ESD sleepers, ESD shoes, ESD lab coat, ESD dangri, ESD sleeves and ESD caps. Then comes the ESD fabric. So all the body protection for the ESD gloves we are manufacturing in-house in our facility, where we take the proper as said SOPs, and we ensure the quality which we deliver to the customer. And I believe most of you sitting here having your own brand as well. So recently we decided to get into the OEM business. So in case you want to explore the kind of category you are serving today, and you want to expand your business into the more categories, so we are quite open for the OEM business for these categories which we are making in-house, which comes like HPK sleeves, aramid gloves, cotton knitted gloves, cotton dotted gloves, and polyester knitted gloves. So in case anyone have any requirement, so they can directly get in touch with us. As sir said in the beginning, like commitment is very important. So sir, proudly I would like to tell you that in Delight, in terms of business, we follow one simple policy, or you can say one simple principle. Commit what you can deliver, and deliver what you can commit. Thank you so much to all of you. With this, I would like to close my presentation. And our factory is in Kushkera, and we serve really good coffee. So in case any requirement or you want to visit to the factory, I will be happy to host you. Thank you so much.